Lazy loading is an optimization technique commonly used in the web to determine whether a resource should be initialized. If your page has a few images on its initial stage, it might not be worthwhile enabling this feature. To check if your page would benefit from having lazy loading, you could go up to Page Settings here. Then if you navigate down to Others and click on the Other tab here, you'll see a lazy loading section. .woo is recommending me to maybe enabling lazy loading. When your experience is loaded live, .woo's system checks what images are supposed to be loaded immediately and what images are supposed to load when the user reaches them. Therefore, you could say that we have two types of lazy loading images: eager and lazy. An image is eager if it's supposed to be loaded immediately when the page loads, and lazy means that an image is loaded only when the user arrives at its location. When you have this feature enabled, every time you publish your page, .woo calculates the images that are likely to appear on the user screen when the page loads. But because not all projects are created equal, there might be a need to override .woo's algorithm. What you want to do is go into the editor, find the component that you want to focus on, for example this image, right-click it and go into visibility. Now you'll see that you have a lazy loading section down here. And in this tab, you can choose which state you would prefer. Automatic will follow .woo's algorithm when published. Eager will always load regardless of the position on the web page. And lazy components will always be lazy loaded regardless of its position on the page as well. The last thing I want to show you is this. The last section here called loading mode depth. Right now it's set to self only, but what you'll see is that you can also make it focus on its children. This is useful, for example, if you have a row with multiple images in them.